Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Vilas Kamane and today's date is 31st July 2024 and today's topic noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the high level of unwanted sound in the environment which causes pain. Sources of the noise pollution are like noise pollution noise are like generate generated by the road traffic, aircraft noise, railway noise, noise generate by the construction, industrial noise created home home on daily basis and for noise from consumer products like mixture juice juicer TV, mobile, etc. In some countries, highly plugged, populate poor urban planning also plays vital roles in the noise pollution as planning includes the construct construction of uh, constant houses having large families in small space, causing flight or parking lights for basic requirements, etc. etc. Lead to the noise pollution. New generation people play music in full value and dance for late nights causing lots of physical and mental disturbance to the night prowls act as poison. It hung it hung it hungly affects the will 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 the lives of plants and human beings normally the ability of ear ear is the accept the only certain range of sounds without making any damage to the ear. However our ear cannot cannot be at the regular exposure to lot levels of noise noise and get the damage to the ear drum, which results in the temporary issues strength